Today I'm making this absolute classic Italian dinner. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Spaghetti and meatballs are on the menu today, and they make a delicious family dinner. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 200C or 400F, and then we'll make the meatballs. So I've got a bowl here, and in it I'm going to place 3 good quality sausages that have had the skins removed. To that I'm going to add 300 grams or 2/3 of a pound of beef mince, 25 grams or half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, 25 grams or half a cup of grated parmesan cheese, half a small onion that's been finely diced, a tablespoon of fresh parsley, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 small egg, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Give all that a good mix with your hands until combined. Don't overmix though, as this will make the meatballs tough. Shape the mixture into little balls about the size of a golf ball and place them on a baking tray. You should get between 18 and 20 meatballs. Place them in the oven for about 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them toward the end of the cooking time and turn the oven down a little if they're starting to go too dark. Whilst the meatballs are cooking, we're going to place a pan of water on to boil for the spaghetti and make the sauce. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to a large frying pan. Fry a large finely diced onion in the olive oil on a medium heat for about 5 minutes until the onion starts to soften. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 sticks of celery that have been finely diced, and a diced red bell pepper. Stir and cook for another couple of minutes. Add 140ml or 2/3 of a cup of red wine and let it bubble for a couple of minutes. At this point, the water should be coming to the boil for your pasta, so we're going to cook the pasta for about 12 minutes, which should give us enough time to finish off the meatballs and sauce. Add in 2 400g or 14oz tins of chopped tomatoes, a heaped tablespoon of tomato puree or paste, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of dried oregano and a pinch of salt and pepper to the sauce. Stir everything together and let the sauce bubble until the meatballs and pasta are ready. Now we're going to add the pasta to the sauce along with the meatballs and stir together, and then we're ready to serve. And there you go, that's my easy spaghetti and meatballs with homemade marinara sauce, a quick version of an Italian classic. The kids are gonna love it. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for new recipes every Monday and Thursday. See you next time.